Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have my Seraphina by Myka Jelina post review. And as you can see, she is beautiful. Now, I did a lot of enhancements in this, and it wouldn't have mattered if I did or I didn't. It's just an absolute beautiful canvas. And I was so thrilled when I was able to get it. And I just love it. This was my all-time favorite so far of Myka Jelina's. So I was excited and gung-ho to start working on this. So here's what I did. I'm going to show y'all what I actually used on here, and I'm going to show you my notebook real quick. But if I sat here and I pointed everything out and showed you, I used this for this and this for this, we're going to be here for an hour and a half, because I kind of went a little overboard on it, and yet I can still see places I could have embellished a little bit more, but that's perfectly fine. That's okay. I like it. And that's all that matters. So, all right, this is what I used. I had the diamond dots. I used the metallic platinum, the metallic classic gold, the metallic silver, the prism metallic, and this one is the dark gold metallic. I don't know if y'all could see those or not. So I'll just kind of bring them up, and hopefully y'all can see, what they look like. Okay. So I also used that was a little dark, the ABs, the 310 ABs. I used the 3865 ABs. I also used the 414 ABs. Let's see. I used the 963 AB. I don't know if y'all can tell on that one or not. I used the 996 AB. The 995, the 211, 742, dropped that one. Okay, the 740, $208, the 701, 3818, which is a very dark green, and I'm just dropping these suckers everywhere, and the 907. So these are all the ones that I actually used in here, and these. So a little bit of a confession to make. All those sparklers that I bought, I didn't use not a single one of them in this, but it was only because I had already started using these, and by the time I got the other ones in the mail, I had already, I would have had to gone back and plucked and picked and everything else, and I was just being too lazy, just be honest with you. Okay, so this is the ABs and the metallics that I used. Excuse the handwriting, but this is what I do. Okay. I listed every single thing that I did to this canvas. What area it was in, what symbol it was, what I substituted. I used a lot. So, but that's why I said there's no way that I could sit here and you know, show bead by bead or diamond by diamond because we'd be here all night. So what I did do was the jewelry. I did some. I might have missed some. I did the... No, I didn't do anything to this or this. Or I think I did put something. I put something in here. I don't remember. I put the metallic golds in all the places that was supposed to have been. I think it was like yellow or something and browns, but I used the metallic golds. Now on the tattoo, this one was supposed to have been just your regular 310s. So instead I used the AB 310s. Okay. And like I said, on the jewelry, I did a lot of stuff to the jewelry. Their lips and eyes, I substituted, for the most part, the correct colors, but I was really kind of making this a little harder than it actually was. And I talked to a couple of people, and they were like, look, just do what you want to do. It's your canvas. You're the one that's going to be looking at it all the time. Do what you want to do. Don't worry about, what other people might, think looks better, or, how the Diamond Art Club had it listed. Just, pick a color and go with it. So basically, I just kind of took a breath, and that's what I did. So if this was not gold and it was brown, I did gold. Because I thought, bling that up. It looks cool. I don't remember if it was her eyes or her eyes. I changed the color of them. Her lips was, I don't remember what it was listed, but I had a color that was similar but darker, so I just used that. So anyway, in like the wings, where the ABs were already listed, I just went ahead and left that alone. I didn't want to mess with the wings. But these little places in through here, if you can see, my lighting is really bad. Let's see. You might be able to see. Anyway, I swapped out the whites with the... Sorry, I ended up having to pause the video real quick. So I'm not real sure what I was saying. But if I'm repeating myself, sorry. But these spots in the background, they were just regular white drills, so that's where I used the 3865 white ABs. Her tattoo, where it was supposed to just been black, I have also used the 310 ABs and a few other ABs in there. And the necklace, like I said, all three of them's lips, all three of them's eyes. I didn't do anything to their headbands. And her tattoo, I used some black ABs, and then I think these were supposed to just been, these might have been 414s, and I put the 414 ABs in that. Because I'm pretty sure that these were supposed to be gray. Again, the jewelry, her ring. I also did the book. I hope y'all can see this. Now, there was already some ABs in here, but this was just white. So I used the white ABs. And I also used a different color blue in here with the ABs to make it, the pages stand out just a little bit more. I'm going to try to get my light to where y'all can see this just a tad better. All right, now this jar, I did put the gold. I think I used both of these, the dark gold and the classic gold. I used a lot of this dark gold. That one I really like. But I didn't do as much up here because, and I know this is going to sound stupid, but I started getting a little confused on what was what. So I did what I could, and I was just like, okay, just leave it alone. It's good. Now, this little spot right here was supposed to be just the black 310, and I stuck the 310 ABs in here. Now, I'm going to have to say on this whole canvas, this is the only spot I wish I hadn't done because it looks weird. It just looks like a blob, if you can see it. So I've been going back and forth on taking those out and just putting the regular black drills, the 310s in. But again, I'm being lazy and I don't really want to do it because I don't want to mess it up. So, like I said, I did a lot. I probably could have done a lot more. And y'all, my camera holder or my phone holder is right here, and I'm actually standing behind this sucker looking into the camera to see what y'all are seeing. And I have my LED light over here. So it's like it's like somebody here and I'm trying to go around them to show y'all everything. It's very awkward. So anyway, this is my Seraphina. And hopefully, like I said, y'all can see this because it is shiny and it is sparkly and it is gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, again, this was the Seraphina by Myka Jelina. And I can't wait to start another one and see what I can do with it. Because maybe on my next one, I can actually use the sparklers that I bought. So, plus I need to get some more ABs too. So, anyway, I just wanted to jump on here and do a real quick post review. And also, y'all, I got a new phone. So now I can record longer than 4 minutes and 59 seconds and then have to pause and then wait for this stupid thing to load and then start again because it was very annoying. To make a 15-minute video, for me to video it was taking me probably about an hour and a half because I was having to stop like every 4.5 minutes. So anyway, this is the first video I've made with my new phone, and as of right now, I'm over 10-15 minutes in this, I think. So that's nice. I'm so happy. So anyway, if y'all have any comments, just leave them down there in the comment section. I'll leave a link, of course, in my description for this canvas. I think she's still in stock. I'm not sure. I haven't been over on the website today, so I don't know. So anyway, thanks to my subscribers. I appreciate all of you, and I absolutely thank all of you for your kindness and your support, and you're staying with me and you're watching my videos. Oh, and another thing right there was either a mole or the piercing, but it was supposed to be just a gray, and I did the 414 AB in that. I just happened to look down and seen that. But anyway, y'all, I guess until my next video, I'll see all of y'all later. Bye, y'all.